First and foremost, I don't want to see any comments about me being naked because take a look, I'm wearing a shirt, okay. Where do I begin? Like, some guy from college had given me Final Cut Pro like as a gift, and I kind of just like thought I was finessing and thought I was really cool, but it turns out it was torrented, and so when I accidentally updated my Mac, it got rid of it. Of course I want to like legally purchase stuff, but I like was not budgeting for that, so I needed a minute to financially prepare for the toll that purchasing Final Cut Pro was gonna have on me. I got it now, legally, we're good. I think I want to like move this channel more towards being like a more personal channel. I did a poll on Instagram asking people if they wanted to see a skincare routine or a room tour, and everybody voted for a skincare routine, and then my vlog camera's dead. So this is a room tour. I'm gonna be showing you around my room, showing you guys like where I got everything in my room, because I know that I'm a really thrifty person. I kind of want to move my channel in that direction too. So like a lot of things I have in my room are like a lot cheaper than you normally find them. But basically this room tour is gonna be one big thrifty hack because I just am living that broke life and still trying to be bougie at the same time. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments or send me a DM on Instagram and I will tell you where I got something if I forget to mention it in this video. So here we go. So this is my dresser. I got it at IKEA for like pretty cheap, and then the shelf on top of it was maybe like $7 or something like that. So I just have like a little mirror, got it, who knows where, some cheap place. A little bowl with like scrunchies in it and everything, some lotion. This thing is from, I want to say Target for like $10, and then just a bowl for my makeup brushes, a little knockoff Beats pill from China that was like $5. I've seen these coasters literally all over the internet, and they're like in a really expensive set at Anthropologie, but I found some at Sur La Table that are sold individually that were like $6. So that's where I got that. This is a water filter that I've been eyeing for like my whole life, for years. It's Soma brand, and they normally run for like $40, but I found one on eBay for like $10 and just bought a new filter for it. Then I have a little incense holder from AliExpress that was like 20 cents. Some flowers here from like the dollar store, a little mug, it was a gift or something, a bunch of glasses that some companies have sent me, and some basic girly accessory perfume type things. So that's my dresser. Here I have, this is actually my mom's guitar, which I taught myself to play. Like last year I can play some chords. So here is my desk. I actually just got this desk like last week and just built it like the other day. So I thought it was really cute. I used to have this super giant, like blocky white, like 3 times the length of this desk. But I just needed something kind of smaller so that I could fit a bigger bed in my room because I used to have a twin. So this was like a pretty cheap one at IKEA again, one of my like favorite places to get furniture. And same with the desk, or the chair, is also from IKEA. This desk was like $150 I think, so not that expensive. And then I have these 2 light things from IKEA also. I think they were like $15 each. They just kind of like screw into your ceiling, and I didn't think I'd be able to screw things into my ceiling, but they're actually super light, so you don't really have to worry about if you have like a supporting beam there to screw them into. So they just kind of like hang there, go across, and then plug in down there. Cheap lighting, but usually the lighting I use that is like on most of the time when I need lighting in here is these string lights. I guess I don't really need them on right now, but I thought I would show you for the sake of giving a room tour. And they just plug in here. These are like $2 at Target. I just stock up around Christmas time, get them when they're like 90 cents. But yeah, they're just the mini like Philips lights basically with like a white string. This is where I hang out in the evenings, or a lot of times I won't even edit at my desk. I'll edit on here because I want to be comfy, like near my plants and like in front of the window and stuff. So yeah, I have this little yoga mat thing here. I got it from Wildlings Yoga on Instagram. They were having like a super good like 70% off sale. Their stuff is so cute. This has little like crystals on it or something. I don't know. It's got like a kaleidoscope pattern, which I thought was really cool. This lamp is one of my prized possessions. It's literally just a lamp stand. It's rose gold. It might look a little bit tacky, but I got it for $5 at Five Below. And then the little like stone thing light next to it that keeps changing colors is also from Five Below. It was $5. And it's one of those salt lamps. So when I saw this at Five Below, I freaked out, bought it, took it home, plugged it in, and then it started changing colors and I lost it because that's really cool. So yeah, Five Below for like pretty much everything I own. And around my whole room I have a lot of like little trinkets here and there. So then we have my bed and bedding, and the bed and everything is from IKEA. And I have a bunch of storage under my bed, just some like rolling bins I got at Walmart. And I'm standing on this rug from Five Below that was $5. This little picture thingy, like these little string of pictures I got on AliExpress. Then I have this little shelf. I got the pot on the right from Salvation Army. Both the plants, or all three of the plants, are from IKEA. Same with the watering can. That spray bottle is from Target. It was like 99 cents. Over here I have this super bright window, which is really nice to sit in front of when it's cold and Michigan is being gross and I'm sad and I want to pretend that it's like warm and sunny. This plant and the pot from IKEA for like under $5. The little macrame hanging thing is from Five Below, was $5. And this little thing is from a shop by my house. It was kind of pricey, but it was a small shop and I wanted to support them. So I just have those hanging there. Another macrame thing from Five Below. Kind of ridiculous that this was only $5, but it was. And then all my plants are from IKEA and the pots are from IKEA. This picture frame was from IKEA and I made the little thingy inside of it. It's just the Gemini constellation because that's my sign. And I don't know, I love stars and I wanted some really minimal, simple artwork and I didn't want to spend a bunch of money on it. So I just like literally drew with a Sharpie like the constellation. This little bench thing is actually from, this little bench thing is actually from Big Lots and it's really handy because it's a lot of extra storage and it actually opens up and I have a bunch of my camera equipment in there. I'll just open it for a second. It's pretty messy and most of it is like really dark because it's like lighting equipment and stuff, but it's all in there. I just kind of dump all my camera stuff that I don't use day to day into this box and it's really handy because it doesn't clutter up my closet and I can also use it for seating. And here's another view of my room. Oh, and then this mirror is from IKEA. It was $5 and the little hat things above it, I just took nails and hammered them into the wall and hung some hats up there. I don't know, I've wanted to do a room tour for a really long time and there it is. So I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, just like I said, send me a DM on Instagram or, you know, just leave a comment or something and I'll tell you where I got something. Basically everything in my room I got for like under usual price or for really cheap price. But yeah, so that's my room tour. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all that. And check out my Instagram if you want to see more like personal like pictures and stuff. Anyways, thanks again and have a great day.